Welcome to the Remote Jobs Hub channel, your opportunity channel. Kindly like this video and don't forget to hit that subscription button. Welcome to edX.org. They have programs and degrees which will help you learn. Learning is what you make of it. Make it yours at edX. Now, we can explore all courses, but before that, recognized for innovation in career relevant learning. They work in conjunction with Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Harvard University, Boston University of Cambridge, executive education, master's degree, bachelor's degree, AI and digital transformation, AI, artificial intelligence, business management and strategy, data science and analysis, education, finance, investment and real estate, fintech and blockchain. The list is endless. Here you can see HR and talent management, information technology and cybersecurity. We have leadership and interpersonal skills, marketing, sales and design, politics, economics and law. Explore top courses: computer science, artificial intelligence, data science, business, healthcare. Look here, Google Cloud Computing Foundations, Google Cloud Professional Certificate. They have 4 courses for that. Introduction to Blockchain by IBM, Programming for Everybody, Getting Started with Python, and I repeat here, Python, University of Michigan. Google Cloud Computing Foundation, Cloud Computing Fundamentals, and all are there in edX.org for learners. Propel your career, get a degree, or expand your knowledge at any level. For businesses, upskill employees and build a culture of learning. For educators, expand your curriculum through blended learning. AI is a vehicle, you are the driver. As we said in one of our videos, AI has not come to replace human being. It has actually come to assist human being make their production smarter and better. Behind every smart system is a smarter human. At edX, experts in human learning and machine learning join forces to help you make the most out of AI-powered technologies. Learn and grow. You will be able to read all that and know what you are required to do in order for you to join edX and to be able to learn. This, as we are always saying, will boost your curriculum vitae, which will give you a higher platform to be the best among the best, to be hired for that full-time job you're looking for, or that remote job. And more so, we're talking about remote job because this is what we are advocating for, that you can earn passive income remotely and make a living out of it. Another beautiful platform that you'll earn as you learn is Coursera.org. Coursera.org will give you courses like back-end developer, build the structures that help website function using industry standard tools and programming system. Data engineer, design and build system to collect and transform data into usable information for data science. IT support specialist, evaluate and troubleshoot technology issues so equipment runs smoothly. We have other Android developer, build and write code for mobile apps, iOS developer for iPhone and iPad, digital marketer. And you can see these actually have credentials from some people like Google Data Analytics. They have IBM Data Analyst, IBM Data Analytics with Excel, IBM Data Science. You have bookkeeper, record financial transaction and manage financial records. Data analyst, collect, organize and transform data to make informed decisions. Data scientist, extract and analyze data to make informed business decisions. The list is endless. The courses are superb. They are actually courses that will make your CV have that weight, that attraction to your potential employer, be it remotely or even full-time job that you wish to work on. Software engineering and IT, sales and marketing, business, data science and analytics. And apart from that, or in addition to that, this particular Coursera.org is giving you an opportunity to earn as you learn. They have a very beautiful affiliate program. Join our affiliate program. You just need to sign up and log in. Transform lives by sharing the world's best learning experience. Imagine you earn up to 45% commission on 4,000 courses and specialization. 4,000 plus actually. How Coursera affiliate program works. You are able to read from this. Join Coursera affiliate program on Impacts Network. Joining is fast, easy and free. Choose from 4,000 plus courses and specialization to promote using either Coursera custom banners and text links or your own unique format. So they're giving you that opportunity to even be creative and create a format in which you're going to promote your affiliate link to be able to earn the 45% commission. Track the traffic you are sending to Coursera and easy to integrate impact tracking links and up to 45. We have said that what are the benefits of joining the affiliate programs? The benefits are actually well highlighted there. So it's all up to you now to make that particular decision and earn as you learn or learn as you earn. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel